i dag. Og jeg tror, vi får nogle taktiske ting at se, hvor de vil prøve at spille nogle ting ud mod hinanden, for ligesom at se, hvem der er bedst forberedt i virkeligheden.
Lad os prøve at høre fra Jovanovic. First year in Denmark. What's you been like your sight on Danish basketball the first month you've been here?
I think that the level of the basketball is a little bit more higher than the people told me before I came here and then I saw last year. And I think that there's quality players in the league. I think the organization, total organization of the league, that means management of the league, management of the referees organization, management of the clubs can be on the higher level. One example is about the stats. You have the same stats in a whole Europe, even if the world is a little bit different in NBA. Then I think the things that we speak all the time about the refereeing, not that the refereeing is bad, but we must find the same words together with the organization that they take parts about that, and so these kind of things I think can be on the bigger level, and of course the level of the players and the competition is always the things that you can discuss about. I think it's quite okay, and we'll see what will happen until the end of the league.
Short on the game today. What do you need to do to win?
Like I told you, first we need to come into the game with a cold head, with no thinking about what happened last week. That's the first thing. Then we must know that we have in front of us, we have experienced team, experienced coach on the other side that change defense a lot, that have a lot of players that can play on a high level during the game. So we must be concentrated all 40 minutes.
Der får så god en point guard, men der er mange hold, der ikke har så god en point guard, der godt kunne have brug for det. Og Hørsholm har to.
Fra start. Han har i hvert fald scoret flest point, men helt tilfreds, det nægter jeg at tro på, han er. Lad os prøve at høre.
Take the ball down there. Girls stay in the middle. It's 1-2. Every time ball in the middle, two guys. Pass the ball. Don't pass the ball to the big guys. Just when they're in the middle. When you get the ball, don't dribble the ball down there. It's a stupidity to ask time out for these kind of things. Come on. In offense, post the ball down. Lithuanian player is outside because of fouls. You can switch with Vinny. He can post out the other players also. Post with the 5, post with the head. Side is okay with the pass. Side play both Milan and Fedek with the pass. So you're standing on the spot. Not with the dribbling from here. Play for down there. Vinny, a little bit more stronger down there in defense. Several times penetration on you. Milan and Fedek, use fast breaks when you have on this side. Finish, go all the way down. Hands.
Let's go, guys. Keep playing.
Come on.
Det er klart, der er fejl, men jeg tror, det, der frustrerer Jovanovic her, det er, at der går 3-4 sekunder fra fejlen, hvilken er begået til.
Skal vist have købt
Skridt her på Gerald Minnis, men
han står og brokker sig i lang tid hernede på sidelinjen. Her har vi ham, Jovanovic.
Ja, men det er en træner med temperament, men altså, man skal jo også være tændt.
Amerikaner laver skridt, og så prøver han at redde den lidt ved at få det skubbet hjem, og så får vi til gengæld angrebsfejl på Thomas Vilkius.
Men nu ser vi her, at Gerald Minnis, han spiller altså. Han spiller med fuld risiko. Nu er det ikke ham, der får fejl, men han har 2 fejl.
Tid til at sunde sig lidt, og til at give nogle desinger. Og lad os prøve at høre, hvad Nemanja han har at sige.
Show these contacts with the hands. Show that to referees because they ref everything what they ask down there. Show those contacts. He's in offense down there. They don't want to ref these kind of things, okay? They saw that they don't want to ref. Calm down, just calm down. We came into the nervous without no reason. We are still leading the game. We are leading them. They don't lead the game. But on his leg down ball with the ball. I pass the ball in fast break. Pass the ball down there so they don't score. Stupid things. Galen goal is the foul. Galen, try to play without foul down there. Without stupid foul at least. Vinny, go back on the 3. Come on, put the ball again inside. Put the ball on the head on the Gale. Come on, guys. Come on. 70.
Det var det svært at se. Det kunne være lidt sjovt at se den igen.
42-50 ved pausen.
Som var en god spiller for Virginia Commonwealth i første divisions college i USA, men som efter college-karrieren valgte at være en walk-on tryout for New York.
Også beater og Christian Thomsen, der måske har været en af de mest nævnte spillere i basket Danmark. 35 point, 19 point i fjerde periode, og ikke mindst en træer i sidste sekund, som altså vinder kampen.
Ja, en virkelig flot bevægelse.
Men her der ser vi også, hvor vigtig rebounds er i
Jovanovic, der stærkt lagt i, højdepunkt, absolut. så ved jeg ikke helt, hvad der bliver fløjtet for.
Jeg tror, at dommer Carsten Jensen, Hørsoms 3 højeste spiller under kurven, han skal ikke have den rebound der.
Petrovic.
Det er fjerde fejl til Petrovic også.
Men han har altså spillet alle minutter indtil videre. Sådan var lige her Nicky Dennis på en piggyback ride igennem feltet. Jovanovic her. Han har lige et par sekunder til at trække vejret, inden det går løs igen. 3. Djordjevic.
Ja, og det er noget af det her, vi har efterlyst for Sasha. At han penetrerer ind i midten, og så får ramt de frie skyld.
Vi skal op ned og høre Jovanovic. Lad os prøve.
No timeout. No, but yes, timeout. Ellen, come inside. Take Fatic. Sit. Ellen, jealous up. Billy, stay on Lithuanian guy down there. Yeah, 12. You take Fatic if he's in the game, okay? I think Fatic, the ball guy with the left hand, who will shoot. I will show you down there. You take number 8. What?
Jimmy, let number 12 do his handoffs. Don't go up and help because he swoops you.
We have enough time, 58 seconds. Defend this one. If you defend down there, play head for Gale down there. Head for Gale inside. Inside, don't throw up. Step on 2 legs and finish down there. Okay? After that we'll see, look at me because of the foul, should we make a foul or not, okay? Easy down there. Come on, Billy.
Let's go.
Come on.
Go. 7. 9.
Vi var lidt efter Frederik K. ind med 2 point. Vi har, og den ryger ind til Nicky Dennis. Han skal passe på, Frederik K. ind. Vilkius. Nu skal han lade være med at brokke sig.
Men jeg kan godt forstå, at han brokker sig, for hvis de dømmer en fejl i rebound-spillet i den anden ende possession før, så er der måske også en lille fejl her.
Ja, man kan sige, at han har ikke nogen balance, Martin Højer, men han bliver dog løbet ned af Christian Gatten. Så
lad os høre, hvad der bliver sagt her. Nu skal de have sat den op. De får lov at flytte bolden frem. 10 sekunder, så småt tilbage. 9,5 for at være helt præcis.
Ellen in the corner, Swiski in the corner. Bini, screen on the middle here on top. Yeah, when you pass the ball, go low down there, okay? Fist with Bini. Try to penetrate down there, they are in bonus. Go all the way down, clear the side, so go all the way down if you can, okay? If they help, pass to Bini down there or get on the low post. You have a Gale, you have Bini here, okay? Hey, man, watch out to offensive fouls and everything, okay? Okay, of course. Just get easy ball on the side here, okay? Come on.
Og nu tilbage. Lad os se, om det ikke bliver Bini, der får den. Frederik H. ryger ind. Nicky Dennis sender den afsted. Vi skal i overtid. Yes. Og på et eller andet punkt, så er jeg meget, meget glad for det her resultat. Jeg har ikke hverken et tog eller en færge, jeg skal nå. Jeg håber ikke Storebæltsbroen den lukker, men jeg bliver gerne til 5 intense minutter mere af det her.
Jeg skulle til at spørge, om du har også på en lige